self-destruct as she gets old. She put up defensive shields to walk through all of life's minefields, all defined by makeup and a car behind she's hiding. Father, do you have to go? Let me questions I don't know any answer or even close. The lifetime lie was true. She's gonna move on with her life and take it one heart at a time, and watch the little girl inside her wait behind as she moves on. But with this black heart she decides she'll take in and shove aside until the day she sees that everyone has gone. Getting used to people leaving, thinking true love is deceiving, so she'll know how lonely it can be. Now was it really worth the pain? A couple pills make her feel sane as she lives out the story written for the part she used to play.